folks, welcome back to another practice session. Let's see how far we get today. Let's try to increase the SOR and work on that consistency. We're going to start with the 3 V's, 3, 6, 3, 2. Let's try and nail those 6 and 8. 6, 4, 2. Oh, sorry, I flipped it. I gotta get a better stick. Okay. Just work on your grips. Make sure everything's consistent every time. 5, 2, 3. There's too much power over there. Too high on delivery. That's why the dice dance like crazy. Let's try to control our rebound. Okay. 9, 4, 5, 9. Eight, 6, 2. That's still too much power. The dice jumped too high on that one. Rebound. Two, 1, 1. Nine, 6, 3. Still gotta work on our rebound. Six, 4, 2. Point made. We're at 2, 4, 6, 7 rows so far. Same set. Two, 1, 1. Nine, 6, 3. Points now. Eight, 3, 5. That's pretty good. Right off the back wall and then stick the landing. That's what you really want. The only way to achieve that is to practice. 10, 5, 5. Pretty good. Hit the back wall and it died out. Not too much of a rebound. Okay, pretty high on the count. 6, 5, 3. I mean, 5, 1, 6. Correction. Let's see where we are. Okay. We're at 12th row. This will be the 13th row. Okay. I guess we passed the hurdle. 7 out. Should have kept my mouth shut. Okay. Crapped out on the 13th row. See what we got. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 row. It's okay. Not great, but it's okay. Alright, we'll end it short and we'll come back later. Take care.